How to sell agricultural land. In this video, I'll tell you what are the steps in the process of selling agricultural land. If you want to know this, if you want to learn the secrets, do watch this video till the end. Hello friends, I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur. In this video, I'll tell you 5 simple steps to grow your real estate business and to learn the secrets of selling agricultural land. The first and the most important thing is understand the purpose of your client. When you are trying to sell or when you are proposing an agricultural land to a client, understand his purpose. What is the exact purpose of his buying? Whether he's looking for an investment or he's looking for utilizing that agricultural land for agriculture purpose, or he's looking for in future warehouses, logistic park kind of thing in that land. What is the exact purpose? Or in future he wants to have a farmhouse project in that particular land, or in future he knows that that land will come under city premises and he'll have a layouting project. You have to understand the requirement of your client first in detail and in depth. And while you are understanding the requirement of the client, this is an opportunity for you to make the connection. The moment you establish a very good connection with your client, it becomes easy for you to sell the land at the end. Second most important thing, explain the proposal. Now, if you have understood the real purpose of buying that agricultural land, you have to design a proposal around that. Suppose if the particular person wants to buy a land for a farmhouse project in future, so you must know that in this 10 acres of a land, how many good farmhouses can be made. Suppose, for example, how many 5,000 square feet of farmhouses can be made, how many 10,000 square feet farmhouses can be made, how many farmhouses of 20,000 square feet can be sold in that particular land of 10 acre, 20 acre, 50 acre or 100 acre. You must know the feasibility of the proposal. Then and only then you can convince the client for taking the decision. Third most important step is during site visit, match the agricultural land with the expectation of a client. Now during site visit, your role and responsibility now is very clear. You have to match the expectation, the desire of the client with the deliverable thing what you can deliver to him in terms of that agricultural land. So during site visit, if you can match the expectation with the land, that sir, whatever kind of property you are looking for, whatever kind of project you are looking for, this is the best land for you. So based on my research, this is one of the best proposals. So you have to give that confidence to the client. You have to transfer the confidence. The moment client feel that yes, this is the best land for the proposal what he is looking for, it becomes easy for him to take a decision. Fourth step is discuss payment terms and conditions. Now, it is very important. If you really feel that you want to finalize the deal, if you really feel that you need an outcome out of this time you are investing, then you must know the exact payment terms and conditions. Before that, you have to set a clear expectation. You have to tell both the parties the clear expectation of a buyer and the clear expectation of a seller. If you communicate this clearly to both the parties, then it becomes easier to finalize the deal during the closing. Fifth and a very important thing is close the deal and take token. If you feel that now everyone is convinced, the legal papers were checked, it is okay, the payment condition is okay, then don't wait. Now it is the time to interfere. Now it is the time to take intervention and ask the parties to take a decision or to complete the deal with the help of at least a token amount. The moment a token amount is being given to a particular seller, at that moment the buyer stops searching for other projects. This is a very important step. You have to lock the deal. For locking the deal, you have to pay a certain amount, or a buyer have to pay a certain amount to a seller. The moment deal get finalized, now it becomes easier for you to go to the next process of agreement and sell it. So dear friends, if you really want to sell the agricultural land to your clients, or if you want to increase your business, or if you want to grow your business, you have to understand this thing very clearly, that you have to follow these steps. The moment you follow this step, it is easier for you to close more deals. If you want us to make videos on some other topics related to real estate, please comment below. If you feel that our channel is giving valuable content to you, do subscribe our channel and like this video. Your like gives us more energy to make this kind of problem solving videos. Thank you so much for loving our content. Thank you so much for liking our content and channel. And thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller on Amazon. We'll meet you in the next video.